The analog fire detection control panels by COFAM incorporate an automatic loop configuration and automatic relay configuration functions designed to ease the system setup and commissioning. Press the menu soft key, then access using code level 2, 27. Select System Setup and access using code level 3, 9000. Go to Configure, Loop Configuration, and then select the number loop you want to program. Next, in Setup Loop Point, select Loop Auto configuration. The control panel will display a warning message. Press Enter to continue the process. Here, the control panel starts a loop scanning process to find all devices installed, detectors, manual call points, modules, and sounders. During this process, the control panel reads the program address number of each device and records the points according to their physical position in the loop. This operation allows to create easily an accurate loop structure, reducing installation time and avoiding configuration mistakes. Once the scan is completed, the system automatically saves the configuration in memory and displays a summary showing the total number of devices found and the type of each one. It is recommended to verify that the number of devices found by the control panel matches the number of devices actually installed on site with monitoring function. This test confirms that the wiring and connections have been installed correctly and ensures that the fire detection system is functioning properly. The next step is to set up the relays. For this matter, run the Relay Auto Configuration command. Press the menu soft key, then access using code level 2, 27. Select System Setup and access using code level 3, 9000. Go to Configure, Logic In, Out, Configuration, and select the command Relay Auto Configuration. The control panel will display a warning message. Press Enter to complete the process. All relays will be set up with no delay. General activation and sounder as action type. The result is a fully identified detection system. All devices are registered with their point number, device type, and location within the loop, simplifying future maintenance, labeled, expansion, or system diagnostics.